Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and in this video I'm going to show you just the very basics of doing a live stream to YouTube using our favorite tool, StreamYard. So to use StreamYard to do live streaming, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. You go to the website. It's strictly web-based, StreamYard.com. You do need to have an account. I'm going to use my free account under my name. And isn't this interesting? You don't have a password. You get a login code. I go to my email, get the login code, go back to StreamYard and paste that in. Now, the next step is to create a broadcast. Create a broadcast, a new broadcast. And I want to go to a YouTube channel. And with my account, but I am an admin on the Geeks On Tour YouTube channel. And that's where this will be streaming to. If you get a paid for account, you can stream to more than one channel at a time. So create broadcast. Now create broadcast is different from going live. We're having to create the stage, if you will, and you get to check your camera and your microphone before you do it. Put in your name and enter studio. And I am the host of this live stream, which will be going out to the YouTube channel when I click go live. Now, why not just use YouTube to go live? Because StreamYard has such wonderful features, especially for things like inviting a guest. I am going to invite a guest. You click this invite here. I'm going to invite my friend Debbie Bradford, who is in California. I am in Florida. I just copy the link, and she does not have to have a StreamYard account, nothing. All she will need to do is click this link, which I will send her in an email. I'm also going to invite Jim, and then I just wait for them to show up. So there's Jim. So I see that he's here, but I'm not hearing him. And what you do is to add to stream. So I need to click his face, click my face, say hi, Jim.
Hi. Hey, how you doing? Can you hear me?
All right, all right. So now we're just waiting for Debbie to join us. So there she is. There's Debbie, and I just click on her little face to add to stream. And now we have three. Hi.
Hey, it's cold here. I got to wear my winter hat.
Now, one of the cool things about StreamYard is all I have to do is click these buttons down here to change the layout, depending on who's, who should be the most important. Should I be the most important, or should Debbie be the most important? I just drag her picture over. Or should Jim be the most important? Oh, that's right. It's Dazzle should be the most important.
It's Dazzle. but it's mirrored, so I'm not sure where to point. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Now, one thing. Have you ever used StreamYard before, Debbie?
No, I never even heard of it.
So all you did was click the link that I sent you, and here you are. That is actually, just so cool.
I had to grant microphone and camera access, but that's, no big deal.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and go live, and then we can just chat a little bit about this. So I click the button that says go live, and now it is able for anybody to watch. You are live, able for anybody to watch on our YouTube channel. And so what we are using here is StreamYard, and I have recorded my screen in getting it set up. The coolest thing. And here, let me go back to there. That's just so fun, just to click those buttons, and we get
and you can drag them around too to reorder them.
Yeah.
Yeah, drag me around.
It's just so easy. And to start this, I have a free account. You just go to StreamYard.com, sign in, and say, I want to do a broadcast. And then you can invite guests. And as I sent you an invite, Debbie, and just while we're live here, explain how that worked for you.
Yeah, I got the email. I clicked the link. It was super easy. It popped right up. It didn't even have the lag time that Zoom has in trying to open that. And then it just wanted access to microphone and camera. And then it asked for my display name. And that was it. It was a lot quicker than Zoom. But
so if you get a comment, you just click on it to show it, and it shows up on the main screen so that you can involve your viewing audience as well. But if you want to learn more, I'm going to create a banner that will tell you where to go. And it's tinkeringwithtech.net to learn more about StreamYard. And just like anything else, all I have to do is click to have that show up.
there it is.
Yeah. All right, there's Jim back again. Then I can just end the broadcast, but the three of us that are in the meeting can still, no, not a meeting, that are in the studio. We are in the studio. We'll still be able to talk to each other, but I am going to end the live broadcast. All you do is click the big red button that says End Broadcast. For you to leave, you just click Leave Studio.
Yep. I do see it. All right. We'll see you
next
time.
Bye, Dazzle.
Online. Bye-bye.